For example, so you want a big and beautiful house, but you need money. You want attracted and.
Okay. Next.
Conversation for speakers.
I don't agree with you because we can buy happiness with money. If we have money, we can buy everything and for example, health. Health is the most important thing in our life. If you get sick, we can buy medicines and money can't buy happiness because also it revives your life and it still cannot save you from jail. When you are going to die or surviving, money won't help you. And money is not the main thing in our life because you can't buy friends or families. For money, you can't pay for your parents' happiness with money. Your family's happiness and your own happiness is the most important thing. And for example, kind words and
I don't agree with Ahmaral because the presence of money is one of the ways of self-explorations and self-affirmations in front of the family and society. Family and society is what the majority calls happiness because money is needed to satisfy hunger and ambitions. That also we really want all the pleasures of the world that you can buy in this world. It is a presence of capital that gives us the opportunity to be happy and to have peace of mind, and most of our dreams are bought with money. Money is a stepping stone to happiness.
Mr. Erkeblan,
We
please.
will talk about oligarchs. Some oligarchs take a second wife because of the abundance of money, ruining the families.
but I do not agree with the opinion of Erkeblan. No, I will
Erkeblan's opinion.
about money. Money is like a matter of if you do not scatter it, it will be of little use. First, it's happiness. You have money, you have house, so to speak, everything. Let's take an example. You don't have a parents. What would you like? Of course, the happiness of the parents. You want happy family. Can money buy it? Of course not. That's who money doesn't solve anything.
Have an exact fact and examples.
This side.
And the second group was actually good, but they didn't have any arguments or examples. They just told that money is good, money is happiness.
No facts and arguments.
But they were a little bit louder voice.
That justify your.
I'm not talking about your example. I'm talking about your arguments from Google, like him. About successful people, maybe you could talk.
But they don't
How
Didn't
poor
give.
people could become rich people like this.
I would like to speak an example, but I did not have time.
I don't agree with that because vice versa we spoke a lot with arguments about our topic and we don't have time. in our group speak only three
Your words were not clear because you had like mistakes, so we couldn't hear it and understand it.
It wasn't clear.
Yeah.
Their speech. You yourself.
I said poor people don't have a chance.